Roots family, wagwan. Yeah, man. Welcome to another episode. Welcome to another video. Yeah, man. And if you are new here, this is the Herbalawes channel on YouTube, and I'm on called Herbalawes. Yeah, man. So it's not early. It's about, let me see what time it is. It's about 2:11. Yeah? This is the time now. Yeah. But came out late, and as old people say, better late than never. Yeah. So I'm trying to give the plants them some water. Yeah. Which the best time to water the plants is in the early morning when the time cool. Yeah, the sun not so hot today because the clouds are in and out. Yeah, maybe rain falling somewhere, but me not get none of it because round here, so when me there, water is a problem. Yeah, but we have to give thanks same way. We have to give thanks same way. So, yeah, what have you been up to? What is happening in the neck of your wood? Are you getting rain? Yeah, what is the weather like? You know, what are you up to? Yeah, if you have your garden, what's new in your garden? Yeah, how are your plants doing? My plants are fine. The weather is fine here in Jamaica. The weather is fine here in the Caribbean. Yeah, man. And we out here doing the do as usual. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, find a good one. Callaloo are doing well, you know. Yeah, man, them look nice, you know. Yeah. Not ready for harvest yet, but them look real good. Yeah. Just 2 weeks from planting the seedlings, and they're looking great. Yeah, man. And as we always say, it's not just callaloo, it's not just vegetable, but it's one of our power food source in Jamaica, you know. Callaloo, ilaloo, as the Rasta man would have said. Yeah, yeah, nutritious callaloo. Yeah, man, greatness, greatness, greatness. Yeah, greatness. No scraps is go to waste. Get some tea, you know.